What if a simple piece of wood could spark imagination, creativity, and learning in a child's life? Today, we're not just building toys, we're building memories, skills, and smiles that last a lifetime. Hello friends, and welcome back to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas, the channel where wood meets creativity and simple tools turn into something truly special. If you love woodworking projects that are meaningful, practical, and fun to make, especially for kids, then you're in the right place. In today's digital world, kids spend more time on screens than ever before. That's where wooden toys make a powerful difference. Wooden toys encourage hands-on creativity, problem-solving skills, imaginative play, and screen-free learning. As woodworkers, we have the unique ability to create toys that are safe, durable, eco-friendly, and filled with heart. Let's see the wooden toy project ideas. Idea number 1, wooden building blocks. Simple to make, timeless to play with. Different shapes and sizes help kids explore balance, structure, and imagination. Perfect for beginners and great scrapwood projects. Idea number 2, wooden cars and trucks. Smooth rolling wheels, rounded edges, and natural wood finish. These toys never go out of style and are always a hit with kids. Idea number 3, dollhouses and play sets. Mini furniture, tiny rooms, endless storytelling. These projects allow kids to create their own worlds while you showcase advanced craftsmanship. Idea number 4, musical wooden toys. Xylophones, drums, or rhythm blocks. They introduce sound, coordination, and joy, all made from safe natural materials. Each of these projects allows you to customize designs, experiment with finishes, and truly express your woodworking creativity. By the way, if you enjoy building functional wooden projects too, make sure to visit woodcraftingideas.com, where you can watch the complete step-by-step tutorial on making stylish wooden bookshelves, perfect for organizing books, toys, or your workshop space. Remember, you don't need expensive tools or complex plans to make something meaningful. Even the simplest wooden toy can become a child's favorite treasure. Your craftsmanship has the power to inspire creativity, confidence, and curiosity. And that's something no store-bought toy can replace. Thank you so much for watching DIY Woodcrafting Ideas. If this video inspired you, please give a thumbs up, share it with a fellow woodworker, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative woodworking projects every week. Keep crafting, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy woodworking!